Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to read some channeled messages from your person and also love reading energy. Okay, let's pull some energy first. I would like to thank all of you, karmic. Okay. So this is karmic. I also feel some of my collectives are dealing with their karmic, and spirits wants you to release this past. Also, I feel na you are currently releasing some karmic person, and sabihin natin, I also feel na you are dealing with separation with karmic relationship. And these cards also symbolizes na there, kumbaga lahat ng ugnayan dito sa person na to is mapuputol. I also see the cut ties because of this. Naputol lahat, nadidissolve lahat ng connection with this karmic person. So, releasing the past, I also feel na you are currently accepting kung ano man ang nangyari dito sa karmic relationship na to. And you are, sabihin natin, unti-unti na natatanggap na kung ano man yung nangyari na to, napagdaanan na to, because nadidissolve na nakakat na yung mga, ang dami, lahat dito puro cut. Kumbaga dito, dito yung kanilang hati, and also dito yung kanilang mga ugnayan. The blue and the red cords are already cut and dissolved. Okay. So, isa siyang magandang, sabihin natin, pinagdaanan mo to, pero right now, kumbaga, you are releasing this. You're releasing the past. And, kumbaga, kung natatanggap mo na ito, yun, have faith. You are currently, sabihin natin, and the clock. Okay. Ganda naman na bunot natin. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, diba? Natatanggap mo na. Unti-unti mo nang natatanggap itong separation with your karmic relationship. Kasi itong karmic ay napakahirap talagang, sabihin natin, i-let go. Kaya siya karmic. Kasi hanggat hindi mo natututunan yung lesson doon, paulit at paulit itong bumabalik. On and off, hot and cold, pwede natin i-consider yun as karmic person. But this one, yung ating mga supporting cards is napaka-positive and aligned dito sa pagre-release ng past, because love is coming to surprise you because of this Cupid's arrow, and also this unconditional love. It's time to heal. Okay, you are healing, my loves. And kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kung ikaw ay currently dito sa separation na to, ay sabihin natin meron ka pang natitirang feelings na and hope na gusto mong pangbalikan itong taong to, the spirits wants you to know that it is time to heal. Yes, it takes time to heal, and it takes time, in perfect time, but the cycle has been ending. Kumbaga, patapos na nandito ka na sa situation na nare-release mo na unti-unti itong past. Kasi, I also feel na once na nakarating ka na dito, love is coming. Some of my collectives are also having invitation from somewhere or meeting from someone. Surprise invitation for someone, or also date. And I also feel na there's a attraction and affection coming your way. Kumbaga tapos na siya. I strongly feel na tapos na ka na dito sa karmic relationship mo na to. And right here, meron tayo ditong, yes, it takes time. The real healing, my loves, takes time. Okay? Lalo na pag galing ka dito sa karmic relationship mo na to. And it is worth to wait. Like this, kagaya ng, it is worth to wait. You have to show off your sparkle again. I also see the progress when it comes to this situation because you are releasing eh. Spirits wants you to tap in your shoulder because kumbaga unti-unti mo na natatanggap. Ikaw, my loves, dito sa karmic relationship, ikaw ang nagka-cut ng ties na to. Ikaw ang may kakayahang mag-cut ng ties na to. Kasi kung yung taong yun ay karmic mo, ikaw yung nakatali sa kanya, and ikaw lang din ang may karapatang mag-cut nun. Dahil itong taong to, kumbaga paulit at paulit siyang pupunta, babalik sa buhay mo. So, nasa sayo yung kung patutuloy mo lang siya ulit. But dito, I really see na, and I really feel na talagang nadissolve na talaga yung inyong connection, yung inyong cord. Yung nagduduktong sa inyong dalawa, na-dissolve na lahat. Okay? And spirits wants to congratulate you because kumbaga nagkakaroon ng progress yung iyong sabihin natin yung iyong healing when it comes to this situation. And I also feel na some of my collectives napakatagal makapag-heal dito sa karmic na to, but it is time. It is time, my loves. And after this cycle, may paparating nga na love again. And yun nga, yung dala ng araw na to ay magdudulot sa'yo ng unconditional love, oneness. Iba to dito sa karmic mo. Because kasi ang saya mo dito. Napakasaya mo. Kumbaga, ang laki ng heart, ang laki ng love na paparating sa'yo. And also, this one gives you respect. And kumbaga manunurture yung inyong self-love. Also, if you are passionate person, if you are created person, my loves, they are the one that willing to support you with your passion and creativity. Okay, paparating na siya, my loves. It is time. Nakaka-excite siya kasi look, tingnan natin synchronicities, the arrow, and eto, nung once na na-receive mo na yung heart doon sa arrow, sobrang saya na naidulot mo. And with this clock, I also feel na it is time. Kasi nakapag-heal ka na eh. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-heal totally, it takes time. But if you are done with this releasing or na-release mo na yung past na to, I really feel na darating na to. Kasing bilis ng araw, kumbaga paparating talaga siya, paturo siya sa iyo eh. And yun, kagaya ng sinabi ko, kung hindi ka pa talaga nag-heal, it's time to heal. Okay, let's pull some angel card. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. Okay. O, diba nga? Nakapag-heal ka na. I also feel na this is flirtatious na energy na, kumbaga, your spirits wants to give you or to give you permission to flirt someone. Actually, not directly to flirt, pero to become open to someone for new love. And yun nga, extend your light-hearted energy to others. Huwag mo ipagdamot ang sarili mo because you already released the past. You are already done with your karmic. Okay, let's pull some energy first. Let's pull another card. Ayan. If you could do anything, what would it be? Okay, the answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. For the heart is the gateway to the soul. Okay, it's time. Spirits wants to give you more and more time for yourself right now. Because if you are currently dealing with, sabihin natin, releasing, kung halimbawa hindi ka patapos doon, you have to you have to give yourself more time to isolate and to sabihin natin ano na ba talaga yung mga natutunan mo. You are releasing this past. Makakaya mo siyang i-release. And let's see the message from the person involved in this situation. Hindi ba? Karmic. Strength, ego. You are, sabihin natin, you are dealing with some egoistic. And iyon yun. Kumbaga hanggang ngayon, what do you want? Hanggang ngayon ay hindi nila nakikita kung paano kanila nasaktan, or pwede din natin sabihin na sinisisi pa rin nila sa inyo yung nangyari sa inyo. Your karmic, kumbaga, I just want space, diba? They are strengthened their ego, and hanggang ngayon hindi nila alam kung paano yung kumbaga yung sakit na naidulot nila sa iyo, parang hindi nila ganun ka siniseryoso kasi they are ego driven. Kumbaga parang ikaw ang sinisisi nila sa mga nangyari, and right now this person wants space. So they are worth to release, my loves. Always remember na once na na-release mo na yung person na to, just have faith. Just have faith, and love is coming to surprise you. Okay, and that's all for this reading. I am sending you lots of love and light. See you in my next one.